Okay, Kamran, let's proceed ahead with your technical snap for engineering design at IIT Madras.
Okay.
And you're going for MS interview, right?
Yes, sir.
What subjects you prepared today?
Strength of material for the most part, engineering mechanics, uh, and focusing on design areas as of now.
Hmm. Okay, so any idea about vehicle dynamics? I mean, how to manage the vibration in the vehicle?
Uh, Vehicle dynamics, I have a loose idea. I've just researched on the topic.
Hmm.
Vehicle dynamics means the response a vehicle gives to the inputs the driver gives to the vehicle. I mean, on a loose definition, I would say like how it behaves to various controls the user applies on the vehicle. Be, in all in motion with the vehicle.
Do you know what is ergonomics?
Yes, sir. Ergonomics would I would say it deals on the posture of uh, like how taking any particular task of interest. To do that task, the right posture for the task would be the study of this ergonomics thing to
Hmm.
optimize to make a more optimize the way with minimum effort to
If
do
you have
task
to
with
design a
minimum effort.
seat, ergonomically better seat if you have to design for passenger comfort, how shall you design it?
uh, Ergonomics thing like we need to take into account the forces that would act on the human body based on the application, like where the seats application, like if it's on a vehicle, the forces that the human body would have to face during acceleration or deceleration and all for a longer period of time and all. I would say in a major sense, taking into account the forces that would act and designing it in a minimal way, in a way that it has minimal impact on the human body.
Any idea what is the reliability?
Reliability would be the duration up to which a particular component can sustain in its field when it's deputed in its service area. Uh, so reliability is a percentage thing. Uh, it uh, it gives us the usable life of a product before failure, if I would say, in its service condition.
What is fatigue?
uh, Fatigue, uh, fatigue is the phenomenon a component of interest phases when it is subjected to cyclic loads,
Mm.
a load acting on it in a pattern over a period of time, uh, increasing and decreasing in its magnitude.
How do you compare fatigue strength with the yield strength of the material?
Yield strength would be for direct stress application. It's a linear kind of a value. But for fatigue, we go for endurance limit of a material, wherein endurance limit would be the minimum load that component of interest can sustain for 1 million cycles. So we go
Mm.
for endurance limit when we talk about fatigue life.
Mm. You know something about sustainable manufacturing?
Uh, I would say a loose idea. I guess I don't have a proper definition of it, sir, as of now.
You know what is sustainability?
In manufacturing sense, you're asking, sir.
Yeah, sustainability. I need this term.
Yeah, I would
Okay,
just go.
lean manufacturing. Have you heard about
Yeah,
lean
lean
manufacturing?
manufacturing. I've heard of it.
Mm,
Yeah,
go ahead.
lean manufacturing would be the goal of lean manufacturing would be to eliminate wastes in production operation. Wastes in the sense here, whatever time goes here unproductive. So designing the manufacturing process, the manufacturing assembly line in such a way that most of the lead time should be comprised most of value added times in that. That I would say so.
Mm. Mm. You have any idea about robotics? No.
On a loose, not anything specific, sir. I would say.
Hmm. Okay, so why you want to join our department, engineering design department, for masters, Kamran?
I'm very interested in the design related areas of study in mechanical engineering in a broader sense. Be it the application of subjects like strength of materials, engineering mechanics, use of computational methods like finite element method to uh, understand complex forces that act in our engineering applications and all. And
Hmm.
I find huge research opportunity in engineering design department of yours. I have read the research works and all here. It was and
Hmm.
all very fascinating here. And I would say in the field of vehicle dynamics itself, I read a couple of research papers of your faculty, I guess, and it was all fascinating. I find there is a space where I could use these design, I mean, my design interests in a fruitful way here to enrich my skills, I would say.
Which subject you are prepared for into today?
Strength of materials, for the most part.
Hmm. So, what kind of strengths you have studied? Different types of strengths you have studied in engineering.
I didn't get your question, sir. Different kinds of
Kind of strengths, different types of strengths.
strain,
Strength.
strength. I mean, like yield strength and all, sir. Ultimate
Yeah,
tensile strength. You're asking that kind of thing, sir. Yeah,
yeah,
I would
yeah.
say
Similar to that.
uh, yield strength for one, uh, yield strength, and then comes the ultimate tensile strength, where after beyond which, I mean, beyond yield strength, material starts yielding. We are talking about a ductile material of interest here. So
Hmm.
beyond its yield strength value, material starts yielding, and beyond ultimate strength, ultimate tensile strength. I mean, I would say we are talking about uniaxial tensile test here. All these come under the stress strain study of ductile materials, I would say. So past ultimate tensile strength, material starts necking, wherein it starts losing its cross sectional area.
What is the relation between strength and stress?
Uh, Stress is the reaction to the strain. I mean, stress is the resistance a material offers to its deformation. Whenever a load acts on it, the load would try to eventually deform it, and the material in its inner sense, it would resist to it, and this resistance is stress. Strength, I would say, the point to which, I mean, the stress value, I mean, in numerical essence, I would say the stress value to which a material can uphold. I mean, be it yielding or necking or till final fracture. That is the thing. I mean, the limiting value, I would say, that would be strength.
So can axial load, tensile load induce shear stress in the body?
Axial load and tensile load. Yes, sir. I would say yes. In Why I would say so, because in tensile load application of ductile material fails in a 45-degree plane. It's because in that 45-degree plane, shear stress tends to be the maximum. So we get shear stress too in a
Mm-hmm.
simple tensile loading application.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so let me give you, Kamran, your feedback.
Okay,
Kamran,
sir.
whenever you get interview call from some department, like you got interview call from engineering design department, please
Yes, sir.
visit that department site. Is it visible to you now?
Yes, sir. It
Yes,
is
sir.
visible, sir.
Yeah, so when you go to this site, you will find something written there. Like they have written, what is this department all about? So they're talking about aesthetics and automotive engineering and all.
Hello.
When you dig
Yeah.
deep, when you
Okay.
go into, you will also see the videos, right? So some videos also they have written about their department. You can watch that also.
Yes, sir. Introductory video,
Then,
I saw it.
then these areas, research areas. You see the kind of questions I was asking you: vehicle dynamics, ergonomics,
So
ride comfort. These professors are working into these areas, and they
exactly.
tend to ask you question from them, right? From these areas. Similarly, reliability, fatigue, fracture, smart materials, sustainable manufacturing, lean manufacturing. These are the things they teach in that department. So
Yes.
they expect that students should know a little bit about these departments. Robotics, mechatronics. So what do you understand by mechatronics?
Okay. Okay.
Little bit idea about that type of robotics, biomedical. So you just go to this rehabilitation engineering, how to, do that. So you go to this department, note down these terminologies and write in the copy and try to find the answer from the internet, maybe Gemini or Chat GPT
Yes.
you can find, or from Google, you can find the meaning of this, write in the copy. That is how you have to prepare for each department. Basic questions are normally asked from them,
Okay. Okay.
right? And then I think you'll be better prepared for this. This is how you have to prepare for this department, Kamrat.
Okay.
Plus other subjects, like if you say strength of material, then your knowledge should be good. Go through the marathon videos of strength of material. So the moment you go for
Okay.
marathon videos, you'll be, knowing that how to prepare it, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So do that, Kamran.
Okay.
This is how you have
Okay.
to prepare it.